During a financial period, you can use consolidation journals to adjust data after it is entered or loaded into base-level entities. You create and manage consolidation journals on the Journals Manage page. You can view journals for a specific scenario, year, and period combination. Consolidation journals provide an audit trail of changes made in the application and indicate the journal status, which users made adjustments, and which entities and accounts are affected. To view summary information for consolidation journals, you can create consolidation journal reports to view journal activity that has occurred in the system, check the status of journals, and review journal adjustments. Service administrators can create a consolidation journal report, run a report created by any user, and update or delete reports. Users or power users can create a journal report, run a report created by any user, and update or delete reports that they have created. Viewers can view posted journals and run a journal report on journals with a posted status. To run a consolidation journal report, users must have security rights to the data for the report. You create consolidation journal reports on the Consolidation Journal Reports Jobs page. In the point of view, select the scenario, year, period, consolidation, and view members for the report. For period, you can select one or more periods from the same year or across years. If you select multiple year and period combinations, the system will generate the report for the combination that you selected. You have the option to hide dimension names in the POV. Use the row filter options to filter the report data. You can filter by journal label, description, group, status, journal type, and so forth. Note that intercompany and multi-gap are only displayed if they are enabled for the application. For this report, I'll set a filter to view the consolidation journal data for the North Division entity. For status, I'll include working and submitted journals. For column display options, use the available and selected lists to select the columns that you want to display in the report. Use the up and down arrow keys to reorder the column display. The subtotal box automatically displays the items that you selected for the column display. For this report, I want to view subtotals by status. For report type, you can select HTML, PDF, or XLSX. To save the report definition, click Save, enter a label and description, and then click Submit. Before running the report, you can change the output format if desired. I'll run the report. The report identifies the date the report was generated and the user, the POV, the applied filters, and the column display options. Note that the subtotals for status have been applied. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.